Welcome back. Also, we will add another thing which will be a toast message in order to, if the user select instead of 5 images, if the user select any of the 3, 2 or 4 images, then we will show a toast message for that specific purpose, that please select any 5 images. Okay, so what we will do, we will just go above and in here, as you guys can see, that if we already done with that, so below the working of if, in here we will have a else. Okay, then curly braces right in there, we will say Flutter toast, and then we say dot show toast. It is going to take the message. Now write it and semicolon and tag this down. In here, let's provide the message, so we will give the message something like please select 5 images only. We will show that message. Okay, and also we will just set the gravity, so we will set this right toward the center. Okay, towards the center. So in here, toast gravity dot center. You can choose whatever you want right in here. I'll go with the just center. Okay, now come here, how to load the app. You will go toward the upload ad screen. In here, instead of 5 images, let's select any of the 2 images. Okay, now let's just test that. Click on next. As you guys can see the message, okay, they say please select 5 images only. So it's working totally fine, and you guys can see that. So basically that's it for this video. That's the one thing that we were left. So already it's done now, and that's it. See you in the next one.